Hello guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to another simple tutorial video on this channel. And today in this video I'm going to show you how you can copy any pages link and share it to your friends. And so without any delay, let's start our video. First of all, go to your Facebook profile and now click your profile icon on top of your right. Click that option. Here on shortcut, this is my page. I'm going to copy my pages link, and to copy this just select this three dots on the right button, and here you can see this is my pages link, and all I have to do is click this option, copy link, and my pages link will be copied. And now you can send this link via email or WhatsApp or Messenger, anywhere you like. But if you want to copy another page that you are not handling or you are not the admin of, just go to that page. Like I'm going to select this option page and go to discovery to search for the page. For the sake of it, I'm just clicking this page. You can select any page or search anything, and now use the same process to copy the link. And here you can see the same option and the same link. Just copy this link and you can send it via anything that you like. Another option is that click this invite friends option, and now you can select anyone and just click this send invitation, and the pages link will be sent to them via Messenger. And this is the video. This is the way you can copy and send any pages link from Facebook. And I hope this video helps you, and I will catch you guys on the next one.